Good morning, everyone. Let us learn the sutures. The important thing in this is we find it very difficult to remember a suture by its color. And it's not only my problem, it is a problem of some of the students also who told me just to make some mnemonic to remember the sutures. So, here I have made it simpler by making a mnemonic. It goes by yellow cat and the brown cat. You must be knowing that there is yellow catgut and the brown catgut. So the mnemonic goes by yellow cat has blue and black pencil and the brown cat has violet acrylic color. So yellow cat has blue slash black pencil. Remember N is capital, and the brown cat has violet acrylic color. It means catgut is yellow. It means plain catgut is yellow. Blue is for proline and PDS. It means proline and PDS are blue. I have made the D letter in PDS as dark. So PDS can be dark blue or violet in color also. Pencil. N is capital. N is nylon. Sil. CIL. Sil. SILK. Silk. So nylon and silk are black in color. Now the brown catgut. It means a catgut which is brown is chromic catgut. It has violet acrylic colors. It means any color which has CRY in its name is vicryl and the monocryl as the examples. Color is C for cotton. O, you can say O is 00 is white. So cotton is white in color. Thank you so much. We'll meet again with some new topic. If you find any topic which is difficult, just tell me in the comment box. I'll make a simpler version of that to remember. Thank you.